Namaste, my name is Rohini and I teach at the Chennai Yoga Studio. Welcome to Yoga and You. Today I will be teaching you a simple warm-up sequence to help you before you start any practice. So come onto your mat, come into all fours. So what that means is you need to have your wrists always aligned underneath your shoulders and your knees always aligned under the hips. Your hands are shoulder width distance and your knees are hip width distance. This is a very stable structure, very comfortable to hold, and there will be no pressure on any part of the body. So we start here, and what we are going to do is drop the spine down as you lengthen upwards with the chin and the tailbone. On the exhale, you'll round through the shoulders, pull the belly in, and bring your chin to your chest as you look to your navel. A few more times. Inhale, deep breath in as you drop your spine down and look up to the ceiling. And exhale, round through the shoulders, pull the belly in, squeeze as you look within. 2 more times, okay? Inhale, down, deep breath in, reach to the ceiling. And exhale, round, squeeze the belly as you look within. Last time, okay? Inhale, down, deep breath in, fill your lungs up with air as you reach up. And exhale, round, squeeze as you look within. Good. Come to a neutral spine. What I want you to do now is to just lift the right leg off. Keep the thighs engaged. What that means is you don't bend the knees and hang it loose. Engage the thighs. Your toes are either pointing out or down. Depending on your body, one might feel more comfortable than the other, and that's completely fine. Hold for 3. Engage through your belly. Make sure you're not collapsing into your shoulders. Lift. Engage your belly as well for 2. And for 1, lift the left hand off and look towards your fingertips. From fingertips to toes, you're one straight line, just for 3, 2, 1. We're just going to do 4 crunches. What that means is you're going to bring your forehead to your knee. As you round the back, pull the belly in, squeeze, release for 1. Round in for 2, pull the belly in, release. On the exhale, squeeze in, inhale, release. And last one, exhale, pull the belly in, squeeze. Inhale, release and hold, just for 3, 2, 1. Drop the hands down, drop the knees down, and we're slowly moving to the other side. So lift the left leg up, same things, right? Make sure the toes are pointing, the belly is engaged. You're rounding just a little bit through your shoulders. Pick the right hand off, here for 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 crunches. So squeeze in, round the belly, curl in tightly, relax. For 2, belly in, forehead to knee, relax. For 3, round, relax. And last one, 4, curl in and lengthen out, hold. For another 3, remember the length of the leg for 2. And for 1, hands down, knees down. Slowly open your knees wide, toes touch, sink back into child's pose to relax and catch your breath. This is just in case you have knee pain and you can't go on all fours. You can do a seated version of it. So what that looks like is you'll just come into a normal Sukhasana or a comfortable seated posture on your mat. Keep the spine really nice and long and hands stay on your knees. What's going to happen is on the inhale, you'll dive down really nice and close to the ground. Lift your chest up as much as you can. And on the exhale, you'll round the shoulders, pull the belly in and lean back as much as you can. We're going to do this 3 more times, okay? Inhale down. Lengthen, reach up as much as you can. On the exhale, round the shoulders, pull the belly in, lean back. 2 more. Inhale down. Lift through the chest. Let your chest seek the ceiling. Exhale, round, pull the belly in and look within. Last time. Inhale down. Lengthen, fill your lungs up. And exhale, round the shoulders, pull the belly in and look within. We're going to add our hands to the sequence. So inhale, just come down. Stretch your hands out in front of you. Lengthen, reach up, keep the spine long. On the exhale, lean back. Engage your belly. That just means pulling it in, lean back. And pull through like you're moving through honey. 3 more times. Inhale down. Stretch, reach up, lengthen the spine. And on the exhale, lean back. Pull the belly in really nice and tight to the back of your spine. Pull through. 2 more times. Inhale down. Lengthen, reach up. And exhale, slowly lean. Pull the belly in. Come through. And last one, coming down. Fill your lungs up, reach up, getting comfortable in your spine, building heat and building strength. We're gonna add one more thing. We're gonna add our feet to the sequence. So inhale, coming down, stretch your hands out, reach up to the ceiling. And on the exhale, keep the spine long. Just lean back and see if you can lift your feet off the ground. Engage your core, spine stays straight. Don't round, it's really bad. Hold here for 3, 2, and for 1, fold. We're gonna do this 3 more times. So inhale down, lengthen, reach up. On the exhale, lean back, slowly picking the feet off the ground. So you can either have your knees bent or if you can, straighten them out. Up to you. Inhale, coming down. Lengthen up. Exhale, lean back, pull the belly and lift. Hold, knees coming close by, toes pointing up for 2, 1. Last time, okay? Inhale, coming down. Lengthen, reach up. And on the exhale, slowly lean back, lift and hold for 3, 2, and for 1. Relax. Just relax your spine and let everything settle. This is when you do standing postures. This is really good for learning to engage your core and also get really nice toned thigh muscles, okay? So what it looks like is you'll come to the top of your mat, come to standing. When I say standing, I need you to engage your thigh muscles. That means no bent knees. Engage, lift the kneecaps so the thighs are tight. Roll the shoulders back, keep the spine long. Engage the belly, so tuck it in just a little bit till you feel a bit of pressure on the lower belly. Your chin is parallel to the earth and your hands are by your side. Just take a moment here. On the inhale, lift up really nice and high. Reach to the ceiling, relax the shoulders. When we say lift to the ceiling, most people lift through their shoulders. So drop it down. You grow through your ribs, never through your shoulders. So grow tall here just for 3, 2, 1. Let your palms touch. Lead with your chest as you keep the spine really nice and long and fold forwards. Get as long as you can and as low as you can. It's okay if you're even here. I started my practice when I was here. So it's okay. Just come as far as your body is ready to go. Lean into your toes. If you lean back, there's a tendency to not come down as much. So just lean into your toes. Let your head go. Okay, just here for 3, 2, and for 1. Bring your hands to the side of the toes, right? And then slowly just bend your knees till your fingertips can still stay on the mat. Lengthen your chest and lift your hands up, pointing to the ceiling. We're coming into an Utkat Asana. Make sure you're not overarching the back. Always tuck the pelvis in. Keep the spine long. If you look up, you should look at your fingertips. If you look down, you should be able to see your big toes. From here, you'll just take your hands behind your back, arch your chest, lengthen, look up. And on the exhale, round, lift up. A few more times. Inhale, you'll sit down, grab the hands behind, arch, lengthen, lift. And on the exhale, round, lift. Last time, inhale, sit down, grab the hands behind, arch, lengthen, look up. And on the exhale, lift. And slowly bring your hands to heart center.